Welcome to www.staxi.com. Today's topic, find a medical transport chair that stays put. Anyone who works in a hospital or other care institution knows there are numerous regulations regarding the movement of clientele from place to place. Often what they boil down to is that patients aren't allowed to move themselves. Unfortunately, in these situations, standard wheelchairs are designed to do just that. This is why institutions need to look into investing in an alternative form of medical transport chair. While the standard wheelchair is a crucial aspect of the independence of a person with a significant temporary or permanent loss of mobility, they have certain limitations in an institutional setting. They have limitations in non-institutional settings as well, but the industry and the users are working on improving those and arriving at new designs every day. This is excellent, but again, all geared to increasing personal mobility. In an institutional setting, this is often the exact opposite of what is desirable. While well-meaning, independent-minded, or even mischievous patients may feel it harmless when they do their best to subvert regulations requiring that they have an attendant while moving through the facility. The truth of the matter is, there can be serious legal consequences for the hospital and its personnel. If a person who is in a far more serious condition than she believes injures herself trying to make it to an exam on her own, or while exiting the facility, or getting lost and falling down the stairs, it's not her fault legally. The blame goes to the hospital, even if she's been warned of the dangers. While there's only so much a facility can do to prevent the determined patient from having adventures, there is one step that can be taken. A medical transport chair that's designed to only move under the direction of the attendant and which cannot be moved by the occupant increases the safety and security of both client and institution immeasurably. An additional advantage to such a chair, aside from helping an institution enforce regulations about patient safety, is that it's much more difficult for such a vehicle to leave the building under the power of the occupant. Nor can it be folded up and placed in a car trunk, even if it does make it outside. So money has been saved in both the areas of replacement costs and legal fees. A further savings found in this unique medical transport chair is in wear and tear on the attendant. Because it's not designed for a person who will be occupying it for hours on end, it can, without sacrificing occupant comfort, be geared toward the comfort and convenience of the attendant. This allows for better posture, less physical effort, and reduced strain on her part. This alternative medical transport chair is more expensive at the outset than most standard chairs, favored by institutional purchasers. But this cost is rapidly offset by its benefits. When one considers vastly reduced theft alone, any cost rapidly becomes savings. Calculate in the fewer legal costs and lost man-hours due to employee injury, and the savings really add up. To find out more information on topics like this, please go to www.staxi.com.